Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m plus 200 and its whole cube equals to 22 minus m, and we solve this problem for the values of m if our m should must be an real number. It means that we solve this problem for the real values of m. Okay, so here the very first step we are going to do is here first we need to take the base of the left hand side is equals to y. So here we substitute m plus 200 is equals to y. Okay, so when you take m plus 200 equals to y, so this expression implies that here we find the value of m, so we move this plus 200 in the left hand side, so it will be written as m is equals to y minus 200. Okay, so here we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So now we substitute m plus 200 equals to y and m equals to y minus 200 in this equation. Okay, so that our above equation is written as, because we take this is equals to y, so left hand side will becomes y cube equals to this is 22, and we write this 22 as 22 minus this is m, the value of m is y minus 200. Okay, so after this step here we need to multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, so it will be written as 22 minus y plus 200. Okay, so you see that here in the right hand side we need to add the like terms, and you see here we have 22 plus 200 equals to 222 minus y. So now we move these two terms in the left hand side and it will be written as y cubed plus y minus 222 equals to 0. Okay, so here this equation will becomes cubic equation. So now we make the factors of this cubic equation in very tricky methods, in or very tricky way, so that I hope so you like this way to find the factors of this cubic equation. So here I cannot use the synthetic division. I can make the factors without using the synthetic division. Okay, so now first we need to focus on this 222. So we write this 222 as in this form. So we make the prime factors of 222. So now first we divide it by 2 and it will becomes 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. So here we divide it by 3. So we have 3 threes are 9 and we carry 2, and 3 sevens are 21, so we divide it by 37. So 37 ones are 37. It means that we write this 222 here, we can write it here, we write this 222 equals to 37 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Here we call this is our equation number 3. Okay, so here you see that we have this is 37, 3 twos are 6. So now we break this 37 as 36 plus 1. We know that 36 plus 1 becomes 37 and it is multiplied by 6. So after this we have this is 36 and we write this 36 as 6 square plus 1 and it is multiplied by 6. Here we multiply the 6 on both of these terms, so it will be written as 6 cube plus 6. Okay, so we have this is 222. So now in equation number 3 we replace this 222 by 6 cube plus 6. Okay, so here we write that from equation number 3 is implies that, so from equation number 3 we have y cubed plus y minus 222 equals to 6 cube plus 6, and this is equals to 0. So further we need to multiply this negative sign on both of these terms and we make the pair of cubic term as well. So we have the first cubic term is y cube minus 6 cube, and plus we have the remaining terms are y minus 6, and this is equals to 0. So after this step, here we need the cubic, nice cubic formula. So you know about very well to this formula. If we have a cube minus b cube, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so you see that this is our a and this is our b. It means that we have the base is y is a and this 6 is b. So here we apply the below formula. So according to this formula, our first term is written as in this form. We have a minus b first step. So a is y minus b is 6 into a square. So a is y square plus ab, a is y and our b is 6 and plus b square. So b is 6 square plus y minus 6 and this whole equation equals to 0. So after this step, you see here we have y minus 6 be the common term, so that we need to take common y minus 6 and the remaining terms are y square plus this is 6y and plus this 6 square equals to 36. When you take common y minus 6 and we get plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, after that we need to add or subtract the like terms, so that this equation is implies that we have y minus 6 into y square plus 6y and plus 36 plus 1 becomes here 37 and this whole equals to 0. So after this step, here we need to break this equation and we write it as y minus 6 equals to 0 and y square plus 6y plus 37 equals to 0. So here from this we have y equals to 6 and now we back substitute this value of y. So we because we need to find the value of m, so here uh, we need equation number 2. Okay, so from equation number 2, here we copy down equation number 2. It is m equals to y minus 200 and here we substitute this value of y, so we get m is equals to our y becomes 6 minus 200. So we have our m is equals to minus 194. Okay, so this is the our value of m and it is equals to minus 194. So this is the first real solution, because in this problem we need to solve the real values of m. Okay, so here we need to check that is this quadratic equation has real root or not. So here we can use the discriminant formula in order to check the roots of this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 6 and c equals to 37, and discriminant formula is denoted as b square minus 4 times of ac. This is the our discriminant formula. So here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c. So b is 6 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 37. So 6 square equals to 36 and 4 times of 37 equals to 148. So when you subtract 36 minus 148, it will becomes minus 112. So it is less than 0. So you know that if our data is less than 0, then this equation has no real root, or it means that this equation have complex roots. But we solve this problem for the real roots only, so that we rejected this case and we have only one root of the given equation, and that is m equals to minus 194. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.